This is the Fuji X100 unboxing video, brought to you by the Austin Center for Photography. The camera was obtained today at Precision Camera and Video in Austin, Texas, and I am about to open this. I have not seen what it looks like on the inside, but this is it. This is the box. I'm told that it's quite impressive on the inside once we get it through this particular packaging. The outside, as you can see, is pretty much nothing. Alright, so let's see how this works. I see tabs here. So I'm going to assume that it opens here. Yes, indeed. This is kind of exciting. Some of us have waited a long time for this camera. And it looks like it's going to be in one of these two boxes. Let's look in this one first, because I suspect this is the accessory box. And upside down it was. But yes, the manual, USB cable, the battery, that'll come in handy, the charger, this looks like protective tabs for the strap to go on the side of the camera. AC adapter, must use that, and the Fujifilm camera strap. So this stuff is pretty boring and comes with most any camera that you're going to purchase. AC adapter looks like an AC adapter, right? Alright, well, let's set these aside and look at the more exciting item, which I suspect is in this box here. Manuals. Who needs manuals anymore, right? Although I understand that the Silky Pix software is required to decode RAW files until an updated version of Camera Raw and the other utilities come out. We'll need this, so we'll set this here. Alright, well, this is the moment I've been waiting for a long time. And do I have it upside down? You know, I can't even really tell. Oh, yep, see? Fujifilm on the top. That must mean this is the top side of the box. So we're opening it up. And here we are. Well, now. Feels like a camera. And what do you know? It even looks like a camera. It's actually smaller than I expected it. For some reason I was led to believe that this is about the same size as an M camera. But it's actually a little bit smaller. There's the aperture ring. Boy, we love that. And the shutter speed dial. Exposure compensation, on and off. Alright then, well, let's see what else we have here. I suspect there's nothing else in this box, right? It's just a fancy cloth box, kind of like what you get with some of the finer cameras that you might buy these days, like Leicas and Zeiss Icons and the like. I can't figure out how to close that, so we're just going to set that aside. Get rid of the trash. And let's see, how does the battery go in? Like that. Oops. Professional video you're seeing here. I don't have an SD card handy to put in. I wish I did. The camera is on. And what do you know? There we have it. Well, this is about all I wanted to show, was the unboxing of the X100. And I will put an SD card in it and begin to play with this new toy and talk more about it later. So please, thank you very much for paying attention. This is brought to you by the Austin Center for Photography, our website if you'd like to learn more about us. And ladies and gentlemen, this is something that many of us have been waiting for a very long time. And so, the Fuji X100.